I got you. Wish we had a solution for this thing too.
Stomp Solutions is technology that has been created to help identify vertical displacement between conjoining sidewalk slabs. When the displacement is greater than 1/2 inch to 13 millimeters, it does not comply with American Disability Act and the basic sidewalk standards. The difference between concrete slabs poses hazards to people who use them. This is why Stomp Solutions has created services using artificial intelligence to process and release sidewalk deficiencies in public works.
Our services utilize a 3D scanner app to scan and process the sidewalk in 3D point cloud, which shows the vertical deficient sidewalk slabs. The first step of this video is opening the app and adjusting the parameters to set the confidence to medium, the range to 3 meters, the resolution to 5 millimeters, and masking to none. After the settings have been properly adjusted, then you are able to start scanning the deficient sidewalk slab. After clicking the scan button on the 3D scanner app, position the device at the right height and slowly walk over the deficient sidewalk slab while recording. After finishing this scan, you are then presented with the options of processing now or processing later. If you are doing multiple scans, you will process later, but in this instance, you will process them now. When the scan has been processed, you will then need to upload the scan to the Sidewalk public reporting platform and submit it to our cloud service so we can convert the image and upload it to Stomp Solutions.
How to use AI to process and identify sidewalk defections. The Stomp Solutions developed an artificial intelligence-based method to process the scan results. First, the 3D point clouds are converted to sidewalk feature images of ortho images and elevation images, which have the shared coordinates and preferred scales like the 1 pixel of the featured images represents a 10 centimeter distance. Second, the deep learning model called the UNet-like mode, which uses the ortho image as the input as the AI model generates the label images as pixel-wise segmentation results, where each black pixel represents the concrete joint. Third, the Stomp Solutions developed the algorithms are able to extract the concrete slab joints in either straight or oblique settings, and also measure the elevation difference between the two sides of the joints. If the elevation difference is larger than 1/2 an inch, where the trip hazard is identified in the markment intersection. Fourth, each joint's GPS coordinates are obtained since the reporting app contains the start and the end points of each scan sidewalk path. Fifth, the joints and assessment images are uploaded to the sidewalk management platform. In the meanwhile, we start the trip hazard automatically detection and mapping. We also have the capacity to detect and mapping other kinds of sidewalk defections like crackings. We are imagining all citizens are activating and reporting the sidewalk defection in their communities.
The public reporting app is needed to connect the scans from the point cloud to the public reporting app. When converting the scans to the app, the user must download it to a local disk, a hard drive, a driver platform, or if the file is too large, they can attach it to a shared link so we may process it to the app. This will also help Stomp Solutions process point cloud to identify trip hazards and map the normal concrete joints to geographic information systems. Public reporting platforms are an effective way for citizens to communicate with their local government and play an active role in improving the safety and accessibility of their community sidewalk. This makes it easy for citizens to report issues and for authorities to quickly respond, which will help reduce the risk of accidents and ensure that sidewalks are maintained to a high standard.
How to use sidewalk management platforms. A sidewalk management platform is a software designed to improve life and assist government agencies with managing their sidewalks more efficiently. These platforms provide a set of tools for managing sidewalk inventory, maintenance, repair, and accessibility. Sidewalk management platforms can help cities, communities, and university campuses, helping them save time and money by streamlining management of their sidewalk infrastructure. They can also help improve the safety and accessibility of sidewalks for all users, including pedestrians, cyclists, and people with disabilities.
The technology presented in the video allows Stomp Solutions to take advantage of the use of mobile technology. The use of Stomp Solutions will provide the bridge between 3D scanning, public reporting, and sidewalk inventory using the powers of artificial intelligence. With the use of technology, safe steps start here.